Okay, so the first question is prove that 10 gig disk is mounted. Okay, first of all, we check our volumes. You can see here on the AWS website, I have the 10 gig and the 1 gig currently chosen, and you can use the f-h command, and it's labeled as NVMe 1N1 and NVMe 2N1. So the NVMe 1N1, which is a 10 gig, is mounted on the data 1, and the 1 gig is mounted on the opt/backup directory. So prove the 10 gig disk is mounted on data 1, the 1 gig is mounted on opt backup, which I have done. Prove both data 1 and opt backup are XFS file systems. So here you can see from this command lsblk with the flag F, you can see the NVMe 1N1 XFS file system, NVMe 2N1 XFS file system. So they are both XFS file systems. And what is the mount point for /dev xvxg, or in my case NVMe 1N1? So the mount point at first, right now, the mount point is right here. This is the mount point on data 1. This is the mount point here, and what command unmounts a partition? So the command that unmounts a partition is quite easy. Sudo unmount, and then let's use, for example, this. So this is how to unmount it. So depends on where the disk is. So let's see, it's here and it's somewhere. Let's see, NVMe. So this is an example. So this is how to unmount a disk. And for the last question, what commands allow you to change a partition label? So just like here, the files, the disk is in an XFS file system. To change the partition label, we'll use the command. We use the command sudo fat label. Let's say we're using the FAT32 file system. So fat label, and then release the directory. This is an example. So /dev/ let's say NVMe. And then after that, new label. So this is how to change um, a partitions label. So that's it. So just run through everything. So you can see that the two drives are mounted where they should, data 1 and opt backup. Their file system, so XFS for NVMe 1N1, NVMe 2N1 XFS. Command to unmount a partition, which is sudo unmount. So the unmount command. So sudo unmount, then directory path, the drive. So that's it. And the mount point, it's right now, these are the mount points for the drive respectively, and opt backup. And for the last one, change file system label. So let's say we choose the FAT32 file system, and we just give the path, which is the directory. It's just a name I came up with, and then the drive, then new label. So FAT label, we change it. So that's it. Thank you.